Morning students, today we are making ninth class topic kangaroo. So very easy is this. First of all, you will make very big circle bigger than kada. It's complete 9 centimeter circle from here to here, and one striker like the carom board. You can say it. Big coin size circle you will make like 3 centimeter complete circle this, and after this you will make the face egg like shape, make a face, then join these lines, and this downside you will join like this way. After this we are making the arms make a normal size, not make so much long, 4 4 5 5 fingers you are making, and other arm also you can make just human like hands you can make. This upper one left side hand will be fingers will be higher than the lower hand, this way. Sharp fingers make like mouse. After this which is the left right side hand, this side, the right side, that join with shoulder there, joining with shoulder of the body this way, and erase this line. So this is the arm. Now we are making the leg. Which circle you made, near that circle make one this line and take it down. You can use scale also. This line from here will be curved, and after this making rabbit like foots but with 3 fingers. And other side foot also you can make this way. We are making joint foots with fingers. We are making joint fingers with foots. This area of foot make little more thicker. You can call it, it's complete 1 centimeter thick. After this there is a hair like shape from there, hair like, and from here this line erase. This is the tail. Tail is very thick, just like dinosaur like tail, that way. After this we are making face and ears. First of all erase this line from the face side. Now first of all make eye make like human eye shape, and main basic line is like cat eye lens is like cat eye, and eye is like human. Okay, now we are making the nose making like rabbit, this way. and then mouth also like rabbit. This is the basic rabbit like face. After this, ears are also very easy, and big ears like rabbit. You can say it body is like mouse, face like rabbit, this way. So this is the basic uh, kangaroo shape of body, and then this line also it is. And now we are doing shading in this. You can make the pocket also, the stomach pocket. Now if you want to do color, you can do color, and if you want to do, you can see from internet which colors are there. Brown and skin colors are there, stomach, skin, body brown. If you want to make the lining method, the shading like this, you can do shading like this also. So I'm doing little shading. Shading means hair like shape, this way hair like shape we are making according to the body, which way it is turning, that way. Make very slowly, and small patches make hairs, and better use pen, black pen use for it, or dark shading pencil use, and with that hairs like effect give. And keep in mind the stomach side is always light, so you have to use their light texture, mean to say not to do their very dark lining effect. Face, how to do face, understand this way. Just like human face, we are giving the texture, shading effect, light effect, dark effect, that way you show all. So this is the basic method of shading. I mean to say that lining effect, hair like effect, small patches make of hairs. Sharp pencil use very better and good for it. This will turn like this way. From here it is coming like this, and then turning around and turning it inside. shading effect, which is the like effect of reflection, shining point. There is light shading, that areas also leave like this way, a patch. Fingers shading separate, and nails also you can make. This will show the separation of foots and fingers. And this is your kangaroo picture complete. This way. Show the background also, anything you can make on background also. And that is a picture complete. Outline you can do again for showing the darkness. You can show the shadow effect. Downside, make a kind of shadow. This way. Is kind of that like looking like reflection. The kangaroo is standing under the sun shine, like that looking. It's reflection, the shadow is there downside. But keep in mind, don't forget making outline if you're doing like this way. Outline means showing the darkness, to show separate of it, the separation of it, this way. So this is a complete picture. Thanks.